Hey guys, this is going to be a remake video of this 52-inch Supreme Mark III. This fan is from 1983. This fan is installed in my bedroom. I've had this fan for over 2 years now. This is the third fan I've put up in this room. When we first moved here, there was a Hampton Bay Landmark III Plus in here. And at the end of October in 2019, I took that down and put up the Quorum Capri. And then 3 months later, when I got this fan, I took down the Quorum and I put this up. And then I put the Quorum up in the master bedroom. The blades are reversible cane to plain oak. It is pretty dusty and I need to clean it. The fan is in antique brass finish. And when I first got this fan, the cane insert on this blade was falling out, and I didn't feel like gluing it at the time, so to prevent it from falling, I stuck this piece of tape in there. And it's been holding the cane in there ever since. And it's not fallen out yet, so I guess we're good. There's a top shot. And the downrod and canopy are not original. The original downrod for this fan was way too long. If I put the original downrod on this fan, it would hang down way too low. And it didn't come with its original mounting bracket either. All right, now I will demonstrate it for you, starting off with the light. And now for low. Here's medium. And here's high. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.